1. Avocado, the king of healthy fats. How to use? Eat half an avocado on its own, or combine it with fermented foods like kimchi or sauerkraut. Tip: consume avocado right after breaking a fast. Its healthy fats will suppress the hunger hormone ghrelin, preventing overeating. Benefits: stabilizes blood sugar, thanks to its low carbohydrate content and high fiber. Boosts gut health. When paired with fermented foods, it helps restore gut microbiota after fasting. Supports autophagy. Provides healthy fats to maintain ketosis, activating the body's self-cleaning process. 2. Raw cacao. Superfood for liver and brain health. How to use? Choose raw cacao with over 70% purity, free from added sugars or additives. Add cacao to smoothies or fresh juices after breaking your fast. Benefits: enhances autophagy in the liver and brain. Research shows cacao promotes cellular self-cleaning, particularly in the liver, which accumulates toxins. Improves mood. It stimulates the release of endorphins and serotonin, reducing stress and anxiety. Protects brain cells, beneficial in preventing neurodegenerative diseases. 3. Organic coffee. Boosts energy and fat burning. Important notes: drink black coffee during fasting to avoid blood sugar spikes. No sugar or dairy, as they disrupt ketosis. Benefits: stimulates autophagy. Drinking coffee in the first 4 hours after fasting promotes self-cleansing in the liver and muscles. Increases energy, keeps you alert, and reduces hunger during fasting. Rich in antioxidants, coffee's polyphenols reduce cellular inflammation. 4. Green tea and bergamot tea. Neuroprotective and anti-cancer properties. How to use? Drink green tea or bergamot tea, Earl Grey, throughout the day to reduce stress and enhance fat burning. Benefits: supports autophagy. Green tea helps cells detoxify and eliminate waste. Protects the brain. Its catechins act as powerful antioxidants, lowering the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Anti-cancer potential. Bergamot tea has been studied for its ability to inhibit tumor growth. 5. Extra virgin olive oil. Guardian of brain and cellular health. How to use? Avoid overheating olive oil to preserve its anti-inflammatory properties. Take 1 tablespoon daily, preferably with salads or post-fast meals. Benefits: reduces inflammation. Rich in polyphenols, it helps prevent chronic inflammation linked to diseases like Alzheimer's. Enhances autophagy. Assists in eliminating damaged cells and promoting cellular regeneration. Cancer prevention. Research suggests olive oil can slow cancer cell growth. 6. Curcumin, turmeric, the miracle anti-inflammatory compound. How to use? Combine with black pepper to enhance curcumin's absorption. Add it to smoothies, juices, or cooked dishes, like stir-fries and stews. Benefits: boosts autophagy. Curcumin helps eliminate damaged or potentially cancerous cells. Anti-inflammatory effects. Ideal for those with autoimmune diseases or chronic joint pain. Cancer-fighting potential. Curcumin triggers apoptosis, programmed cell death, in cancer cells. Effective fasting strategies, customized for your needs. 36-hour fast. Recommended for individuals aiming for rapid weight loss or struggling with weight control. Frequency: once a month. 24-hour or 4-hour fast. Recommended for those seeking general health improvement. Frequency: once a week. 48 hours to 72-hour fast. Recommended for immune system regeneration and eliminating aged or damaged cells. Frequency: twice a year. Final thoughts. Combining strategic fasting with specific healing foods will help you optimize self-repair, boost energy, and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Remember that everybody is different, so it's essential to listen to your body and select the methods that work best for you.
In your eyes, I find my place. so deep I can't